how to look at research, where to look, and what to look for. This is a fundamental question for research scholars because a lot of research is going on due to the availability of internet and thanks to our personal computers and laptops. A lot of research is going on, and this massive research and a lot of publications in the presence of them, we need to address this fundamental question that how can we locate primary research, which is the most authentic research and which is the most needed one. So in this session we are going to talk about this where and what to look for, right, in terms of research publications, and particularly in order to access primary research. The primary goal of research is basically to answer our research questions, right, in order to solve problems. Particularly in social sciences, we are all the time concerned with the solution of problem. Our research starts with the observation of a problem, and then we need to solve that problem. So for that purpose, we need to answer a lot of questions. So how can we answer those questions with authentic, reliable, scientific, research-based answers? And for that purpose, we need to go for, for primary research. Okay. So one way and the fundamental way in research studies to answer research question is primary research. And primary research is available to us within, so many possible ways. So we are to determine that what ways are really the authentic ones and how can we easily access them, right? Because of the overwhelming publications and thanks to our computers and internet, we have a lot of research going on. And the question that what and where to look for, right? Like what? Primary research. And where to look for? There are databases, there are publications, there are libraries, and there are books and bibliographies. So we are required to look for them and find the answers for our research questions. Okay. Thanks to technology, personal computers, laptops, and internet, now we are in a position to do the work which used to be done through weeks and months. Now we are able to do that within minutes. Like there are digital libraries. You can sit on your computer, you can access digital library, and then there are tips that how can you access and the authentic, the primary, reliable research through your laptop within seconds and within minutes, just by clicking few buttons, right? So now the work which was supposed to be done in days and weeks, now that's done within minutes and within seconds, right? Now we need not to go to library every time because we have computers, right? And we have internet. Similarly, we are not required to write down each and everything. Even recently, we are now in a position to study a lot of material without photocopying, without scanning, and just we are reading them through our screen, through our laptops and computer labs, just by using computers, right? So we are not writing anything, and we are not carrying books because we have digital soft books, right? So we are saving papers and we are saving our times, right? But the point is that in the presence of so many material, research material, we must now, as research scholars, we must know that how to access, those databases, and how can we access those gigantic indexes, which are based on our research, latest and recent research publications, and how to look for materials, right? Primary research is to every research scholar, that is the basic aim to access primary research. Okay, so how can we access primary research, right? Because we need primary research in order to solve problems, in order to answer our research questions. So primary research is available through preliminary sources, right? Because experts are maintaining the record of so many research publications which are going on. So there are certain agencies, there are certain associations and organizations which take care of our needs for the access of research publication, right? So the first thing is preliminary sources. We have preliminary sources which previously used to exist in, in gigantic indexes, right? Huge, very thick books, those indexes. But now we have in electronic form the databases, which are very useful tools in order to have an access to primary research. Okay, so the first thing is preliminary sources, right? The second, secondary sources. Secondary sources, like the sources which are, summarizing primary sources, primary researchers for us, like literature reviews, like concept papers, right? And like surveys of literatures, okay? So these are secondary sources. And then we also have the tables and references, the tables of references and bibliographies, right? Like those books and those sources which are referred by other scholars. And when we just get some clue or some answer, some hint to our research question, we can simply go to the list of references given at the end of a thesis or a journal article or a book, right? Because that, table of references, the table of bibliographies, those provide us clues and, sources to access to the primary research, okay? So in the, presence of so many publications, we must know that how can we access preliminary sources, and then how can we use secondary sources. And of course, as a research scholar, we must also know that how can we look for some references, some sources which are given in bibliographies and references of other research works. So we must know these tips as research scholars.